So in this topic, we'll learn how to solve linear inequalities. Now, two terms are important over here. So we have linear. Linear means the exponent of the variable that is being used should be 1. Okay, so exponent should be 1. If it's above like x square or something or y square, then it becomes a quadratic and so on. So exponent of variable should be 1. So x or y. And then inequality. So that means not equal. In the other case, we had equations which are equal. Here we don't have equations, so they are not equal. So that is something that you want to be considering. So we will use SADMAP also in this. Use the same concept, same idea. Remember, whenever you are studying any subject, not only in math or you're gaining knowledge in any subject for your edification, just keep it simple. Build on your foundation. That's the idea. That's the clue. So use what you ever know, whatever knowledge you've got in equations, just apply it over here. The only difference that you'll notice is that instead of the equal sign, you'll have signs like greater, less than, greater, equal, less than, equal. That's the only difference. But everything is the same. And the only difference is when you have a negative with the variable, when you divide by -2, at the end you just reverse the inequality, just flip it. And we can prove this why it should flip by taking a few examples into consideration. And that will help you understand what is happening. So if I were to take this example, right, negative x is greater than 1. So we are saying the negative of a variable is bigger than 1. That's what we are describing over here. So let's just assume values for x. And let's see if it's greater than 1 or if it's less than 1 and where that happens. So take any random values for x. So let's start with -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. So when I put -3 over here, what does this become? Negative of -3, right? So it's become +3. Is this value greater than 1? Yes. Okay, then when we do -2, negative of -2, this becomes +2. Again, it's greater than 1. Then if I put -1, negative of -1, now I get 1, right? So this value is equal to 1 instead of it being greater than 1. So where is x? What values of x that you insert will give you the result to be greater than 1. Right now, any value below -1, as you can see right here, any value of x below -1 is giving me a value greater than 1. Now let's keep going on. So if I put 0, what do I get? I'll get -0 or 0. Is this greater than 1? This is actually less than 1. Then if I put 1, this value, I get -1. Again, I get less than 1. Then I get -2, again less than 1. -3, again less than 1. So where all do I get? Which values of x, rather, if I want to ask a question, which values of x give me a value of greater than 1? And that's where I said if I flip the inequality, check this out. If I'm dividing by -1, I just flip the inequality and I'll get the result that I need. X is less than 1 is when this answer is negative, and that's where these two values give me a greater than 1. So x is greater than -1. That's why the sign flips. If you look at this logically, this is the reason why the sign has to flip. So let's try some inequalities really quick. Let's get a few things done, and I'm hopeful we should be able to do a few inequalities successfully. So here we have this inequality. Now there are various ways to solve this. You could distribute, or you could also use your knowledge of SADMAP to solve this. So I'm going to use SADMAP to help me solve this. So let's try this question. I just refreshed the screen. So you could distribute, as I was saying, even in this question, or you could use your knowledge of SADMAP. So let's use SADMAP to our advantage. And you can even use this idea in equations, okay? So the same idea is involved. So 3 parentheses W plus 67. And again, as I keep imploring and urging every student, please show you're working, okay? So we see a subtraction. What's the opposite of subtract? Addition. 3 parentheses W plus 67 is greater than 9. And then we have a multiplication. So let's divide 3. We get W plus 67 is greater than 3, right? And then let's subtract the 67. So we get W is greater than -64. Let's plug that in as our answer. Okay, let's try this. And again, use SADMAP. Remember to flip the inequality when there is a negative with the variable. That's the rule you need to remember. So -1D plus 90 is less than 91. Let's subtract 90 on both sides because it's addition. This will cancel. You'll get 1. And now remember that rule to divide by -1. We have to flip the inequality in this case. And we can again prove this by using a set of values. So let's put this in. D is greater than -1. And that's what gives you your answer. Let's try this one, and then you guys can attempt a few questions. Okay, again, SADMAP, we see division. We also see subtraction, but remember that big division sign is treated like a parenthesis. So, S minus 51 divided by 5 is less than or equal to 7. So let's start by multiplying 5. Get S minus 51 is less than or equal to 35. And then let's add the 51. So S is less than or equal to 86. Let's put that in here. Let's make sure everything's correct, and there we go. So you guys try a few questions. Good luck.